Hello, welcome to The Building Game. I am Mohamed, Research Associate and Lecturer in the Technical University of OVL, and I'm really excited to share this experience with you. In this workshop, we will go deeper into the topic of gamification of architecture. We will investigate more how to create augmented reality applications, how augmented reality applications and immersive realities can enrich our architectural designs, and how can we benefit from those. In this workshop, we will start to learn the following. First of all, voxel-based systems, explaining their principles and applications in architecture and design. How voxel logic allows for the creation of complex modular structures in an intuitive and simplified way. Next, the workshop will focus on the gamification of design processes. We will explore how gamification can be used to address the challenges we have right now in architecture and construction, making the design processes more interactive and collaborative. Then, we will explore together Meta XR SDKs and essential tools for AR development in Unity. The SDKs will be integrated into our Unity projects to enable us to create immersive AR experiences on the Oculus Quest. On the side, we will have also an introduction to the Meta XR simulators, so we can continue the development even if we don't have lenses. Last but not least, here the fun begins. We will start to create our AR applications, draft a concept, find a problem, and then try to address the solution using gamification, augmented reality, and voxel-based systems. Building game is my passion project, and I want to dream big. Therefore, I highly encourage everyone to join this experience, learn more about augmented reality, the gamification approach to design, and implement their own solutions, find their own problems. Together, we can for sure dream bigger, and I'm so excited to meet all of you.